Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Linds, and today we are getting into the Best of Beauty 2019. Holy, for a lack of a better word, I can't believe this year's already over. It's been a year of ups and downs for me for sure, but throughout the year I've came across some amazing beauty products. So let's get into this video. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. I would super appreciate it. Let's go. So product number one is going to be the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Hair Mask. This is actually almost finished. I love this product. You can use it right in the shower. So if you shampoo your hair, next thing all you have to do is throw this in for about 10-15 minutes. And honestly, your hair feels like silk when you're brushing your hair afterwards. And I really noticed when my hair was especially feeling brittle about a month or two ago that this really helped my hair. Next is the Pixi Detoxifying Eye Patches. There we go. So these guys are little gel eye patches that you can put under your eyes in the morning. I keep them in the freezer, that's why they look all frosty right now. But it really depuffs your eyes. It's great to use in the morning or at night, and they're super inexpensive, so this is a great product if you're on a budget. It's a great cost per use. I love Pixi. Shout out Pixi. They come up with some amazing products, and this is definitely one of my favorites. Next are the Dermablend loose setting powders. So I have two different ones here. This one's just a translucent powder, and this one's the illuminating banana powder. I honestly couldn't decide which one I liked better, so I decided to throw in both for this video. I can't lie, I did work with them this year, so this was a paid promotion on my Instagram, but for this video it's not at all. Since doing the promotion, I've used it every single day. I've tried the Laura Mercier powder, and my other favorite was the Marcel powder, but I think I've decided I like these better. They are dermatologist tested, so I'm just being really careful with my skin because I have PCOS and I have the breakouts happening, so this I find very light on your face and really like both. And honestly, I couldn't decide again, so both the banana illuminating powder, which kind of gives you a fresh glow, is really nice, and then this one is super matte, just a basic translucent powder, also really, really nice. Next is the Sukin Detoxifying Clay Mask. I tried to narrow down which of my face masks I like the most. I am a face mask fanatic, and I try a new one almost every week. I have an entire shoebox just of face masks. But if I could say I loved one the most this year, it's actually this one. So it's an Australian natural skincare brand, and it's a clay mask. It doesn't dry out your skin, and their motto is it doesn't cost the earth, so they're super, super green and environmentally friendly. That's what the mask looks like. It kind of has a funny smell, but honestly it feels so nice on your skin, and if you use it at night and wash off in the morning, your face feels so good. So this is kind of a weird product to throw in your favorites for beauty, but this is actually shaving cream. I don't know about you guys, but I've used lots of like cheap shaving creams, and it really irritates my skin, especially in the wintertime. Right now, my skin on my legs is so dry. So I decided to try in the fall this Aveeno Skin Relief Shave Gel, and I honestly really noticed a huge difference in the texture of my skin on my legs, especially my calves. And it keeps my skin nice and moisturized, so if you have the same problem, this is a great product. Next is the Dermalogica Microfoliant. So I get my skin done at the Skin Girls. I visit the Skin Girls to get my facials. They're the best in Vancouver if you do live in Vancouver. And they recently put up, or I guess not recently, I think this summer they put up something about the St. Ives Apricot Scrub, which I used to use religiously. There was a blast online stating that the Apricot Scrub by St. Ives actually could like scratch glass, and it is not safe for your skin whatsoever. Although it feels amazing, it pretty much rips off an entire layer of your skin and can really damage your skin. So at that point I was like, okay, I need to find a new scrub, and I actually got this in the mail from Dermalogica. It's a microfoliant, and it's kind of interesting because it's like a powder, so it's a texture like this, and you can either just add water to it like that and rub it onto your skin, but I actually get a gel cleanser and add it to it, and it makes your gel cleanser into a scrub, which is really nice. So it's versatile and does the job. Next are a few products by Way. If you guys have watched my channel before, you know I love their products. A few being the hair oil, the leave-in conditioner, which is seriously like gone. And then their newest one, which I just tried, is their super dry shampoo. The hair oil I love. It smells so good and just makes your hair less frizzy, and when you put it in at night, it just, when I wake up in the morning, if I shower at night, it just makes my hair feel so nice. The leave-in conditioner is seriously the best leave-in conditioner I've ever used. I need to go buy another bottle today. I can get a brush through my hair so much easier. It smells nice. It's just an amazing product. And then the super dry shampoo I just tried, but honestly, usually you can get 4 days out of my hair, but I tried this on day 4 and it gives your hair so much volume and is so good. Honestly, I don't have much else to say other than they're great. Next is the caffeine solution by The Ordinary. I know there's a lot of politics about this company. Their products are so inexpensive, so that must mean what's in the bottles is crap, but to be honest, I don't care. This product I really, really liked. This year I went through a whole phase. If you didn't already see, I got under eye fillers about a month ago. My bags under my eyes were just out of control, so I was trying about everything, including the eye patches from Pixie I showed you guys, but this was the other thing. In the mornings, my eyes were just so puffy and I looked so exhausted, so this is a product that I really did like. It didn't make as much of a difference as fillers, obviously, but I did notice a difference. I just take a couple drops and sort of dab it onto my eyes and eyelids, and in about like 10-20 minutes my eyes just looked way better. Next is this product by Vichy. So this is the Collagen Lift Active Specialist Cream. It is literally gone. I love it. The only downfall is that it is very pricey for a cream, and it's only 50 milliliters, so it's not even that much product, but I really love it. I don't know how to describe it, but it smells like roses. But they said, so I got this at an event. So I went to an event with Vichy and they gave us the whole tutorial on everything. Although it's scented, there's absolutely no way that it could affect your skin. And it honestly makes your skin feel like a cloud. It's the best base for makeup, and it's also like a mask in itself. I'll put it on at night, and in the morning, I've just never, my skin's never felt so nice. Like, always so moisturized, but not oily, and it's just amazing. I can't rave about it enough. If you have the budget for this, go buy it. Next, we'll get into sun care. If you haven't already watched my full video on my Coola product reviews, you should definitely go check it out. I love Coola. I'm so into SPF and being so conscious of my skin and protecting my skin from the sun, and these are my 2 favorite products by them. This is the Sunsilk 360 drops. I just add this into my moisturizer or my makeup. It's great, and it is full spectrum SPF, so it keeps you safe from the sun. And then we also have the Coola SPF makeup setting spray. So this is great especially for the summer months, or if you go on vacation, if you're someone who wears sunscreen to the beach. I know we all do it sometimes, like especially if you're single and there's boys around. You can just add this over your makeup and it'll keep you nice and safe from the sun. Next is a couple products from Sephora. Before I went to Paris, I was kind of in panic mode, and I went to Sephora the day I was flying to Paris because I had some beauty products that were supposed to arrive and then they didn't. So I went to Sephora and I found this girl who was the best sales associate ever, and she got me hooked on 2 products. The first one being the Dior Backstage Foundation. Coming from a girl who's been a Shoppers Drug Mart drugstore shopper her whole life, this foundation sincerely changed my life. It just melts onto your face, and someone who has acne as well, like you'd always see like patchiness and just like grossness. I just find this foundation to be so lightweight, but like just enough coverage. I don't look cakey. Again, it just like melts into my face. I don't feel like I'm wearing 4 pounds of makeup. It just is so natural and light and beautiful. I love it. The only thing I will say I'm not a fan of is the fact, considering its price point, I don't know if you can see that, the packaging like has started to like break, I guess. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, but I wasn't really happy about that. The next one is the Becca Highlighter and Champagne Pop. I've had this since early September, and we've barely made a dent in it. It's a beautiful iridescent highlighter, and it just gives you a nice natural glow. I really like it. I use it on my nose, my cupid's bow, my cheeks, and then kind of in the corners of my eyes, and it just gives you the right amount of highlight, I personally think, without, I'm just so fair, so a lot of the highlighters, like, this one seems really natural, and I really like it, and it's worth the money for sure. Next is this face wash headband by Reveness. I don't remember where I got this. I think it came home with me in a goodie bag from an event from a blogger thing. But this thing I've used every single day. There's lots of options online. I'll link something that is similar and at a good price point. Basically, it's a Velcro headband you put on before you wash your face. Since I got bangs, my bangs would fall on my face and get wet, and I'd have to restyle them, and it was this whole thing. So I really like this because it keeps your hair from getting wet when you're washing your face in the morning or at night. And yeah, I really like it. Next is the Quick Sonic Zoe. It's a silicone device you use to wash your face. So you just add a little bit of your cleanser, and in circular motions you wash your face, and it vibrates. So I'm sure you can hear that. And it's supposed to help with anti-aging. So you use it around your eyes where you would get crow's feet, near your nose, anywhere where you're worried about fine lines. It's really great to use, and it's great because you just charge it. I honestly have only had to charge it like twice, so the battery on it's great, and I don't know what to say other than my skin feels amazing when I use it. I'm really not one to like give into these kind of devices, and I sincerely have used it every day since I got it, so that says something. Next is a product I just received at the start of the month. It's from Bumble & Bumble, and it's called the Blow Dry Accelerator. So this is great for your hair to protect it from heat, but also accelerates the time when you blow dry your hair. I personally don't blow dry my hair often because I try to use the least amount of heat as possible on my hair. I usually shower at night, let it dry overnight, and then I'll style it in the morning. But I did use this once since I got it. When I'm in a pinch, I do blow dry my hair. So there was one morning where I needed to get somewhere really fast, and I used this, and I noticed that it decreased my blow dry time by at least 10 minutes. So if blow drying your hair is something you do every morning, this might be something you want to look into. Next is another product that is super new to me, and this is the Amandine Inner Glow Face Oil. It's been a hot second since I used a face oil, and there was one morning I couldn't find my face moisturizer, so I was like, oh my god, I forgot, I just got sent this face oil. Someone I know vouched for it, so I was like, hey, let's give it a shot. It's Toronto based, it's vegan, it's cruelty free, it's all the things that we like to hear, and the packaging is super cute. So I tried it and I was like, oh my god, I need face oil in my life. First of all, it was like the best base for makeup. It was like just enough moisture in my face, but also didn't feel oily, even though I just put oil on my face. I let it sit for a few minutes, and then I put on my makeup, and it was like heavenly. It smells super nice. It smells kind of like florally, and it's full of like vitamins, omega, all the fun stuff, and it feels beautiful on your skin. If you put it on at night, it also feels really nice in the morning, and it's Canadian, so we love to support Canadian product. I would definitely recommend trying it. And last but not least, if you follow me for a little while, you know this is my favorite product on the planet. It's on my lips right now, and that is CoverGirl lipstick in 255 Tempting Toffee. I have one of these in every single purse I own. I just love this color. I think it looks so nice on so many different skin tones. A lot of my friends have become huge fans of it as well. I've been wearing it for years too. Yeah, there's just no other lipstick on the planet that is as moisturizing as this one. I've tried it all. I've tried the YSL, the Armani, this, that, blah, 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 CoverGirl, Shoppers, drugstore. This is the best lipstick, the best color. I love it. But we're going to wrap it up there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel. There's going to be lots of fun stuff in 2020. I'm going to attempt to make my routine to upload a video every Friday. So keep out for that. Keep me, what's the word? keep me accountable. There we go. Keep me accountable for that, and if there's anything you'd like to see, please let me know. If you're interested in seeing more about the under eye filler, I'll link that down below, and I will also upload a video soon on an update. So I hope you guys have an awesome new year, and we'll see you in 2020.